In today's video, I am going to show you how you can move all of your installed applications to SD card, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. So in order to transfer all of your installed applications from internal storage to SD card, you need to download this application from the Play Store called AppMGR3. Once this application is downloaded and installed, open it. Grant all the necessary permissions that are required to run this application. After granting all the necessary permissions, you will see an interface like this. So click on this Move Apps option. Now select the apps that you want to transfer to the SD card. And then click on this Move App option. Click on this play icon now. Click on Proceed to Move. And that's it. The application has now been moved to SD card. In this way, you can transfer all of your installed applications to SD card. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.